I want to say a very big congratulations to everyone who participated in Dog's airdrop when I posted it. I believe we all know that the waiting time is over for airdrop, as the farming time is over for Dog's airdrop. And today I want to announce to you that the claiming of this airdrop is live. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step process on how to claim your VAM coin for those of you that participated in Dog's airdrop when I posted it. So unfortunately, the farming period for Dogs has over and is going to be getting listed on different exchanges on 20th of this month, and the exchanges include Bybit, KuCoin, OKS, and so on and so forth. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to withdraw your tokens. If you are just joining my YouTube channel, my name is Ateri Habibullah. In this channel, I share everything on how to make money online, and if you are a business owner, I share important tips on how to scale up your business. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and if you're having any comments, please kindly do, or any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you. So let's dive into the business. I'm going to log into my Telegram account now. Then I will locate where my dog's boat is. Here's my dog boat. As usual, I will click on this open button and it's going to open immediately. Okay, here's my dashboard. So I do not really have much dogs to claim, but this one also should be meaningful. So I'll type on this deposit to exchange. You have to kind of you can either withdraw to exchanges or you withdraw to your Telegram wallet or non-custodial wallet, but I'll be making use of these exchanges. But if you have to withdraw to non-custodial wallets such as Keeper, you have to wait after the listing, as we all know that, as I said earlier, that this token is getting listed on 20th of this month. So I'll be withdrawing to the exchanges. I click on the exchange. So when I select the exchange, then I press continue. So for now we have OKS, then we have Bybit. But I will advise you, if you are in Nigeria, I will advise you to make use of this Bybit, as OKS has announced that they are going to remove their service from Nigeria as at the end of this August. So I will kindly advise you not to make your OKS, but rather you have the Bybit. And if you don't have Bybit account, I will drop a link in the comment section of this video. Can you click on it, register and verify? I click on this Bybit, then I will press this button below, send here. It's asking me that do I have a Bybit and Bybit account. So you need to add your deposit address and memo to receive the dog. So it means that we have to add our address and the memo. I'm having it already. I will click on yes, I have it. If you don't have it, don't panic, just head straight into the comment section. You are going to see the link to download the Bybit account. The next thing I do is I click on this Bybit UID. How do I locate my Bybit UID? So I have to log into my Bybit account. I already have the account and I've verified already. So here's my Bybit account. So it's loading. So to locate your Bybit UID, click on this icon, click on it. It's loading up. I think the network is misbehaving, so let's just wait. Okay, great. So just check beneath this you are going to see UID. Just click on it and copy it. You have to copy it one after the other. I come back to my Telegram bot, I paste it, then I You have to be very sure. I paste it. After that, I click on this dog's deposit address. How do I generate my dog's deposit address? So I click back, I come here, I click this deposit. After deposit, so I have P2P trading, buy with USD, deposit USD. I just click on this deposit crypto. Okay, it's loading up. I'm going to come to this search bar. Now I press dogs. So that I press dogs. So here's dogs. I click on these dogs. Okay, so as you know that it's getting listed on Ton already, so I click on this Ton, and here I have my Ton, my dog's wallet address and memo. So this is my wallet address and this is my memo. I copy it one after the other. The first thing I copy is my wallet address. Just copy it, please. Do not add or remove anything from the wallet address. So here's my wallet address. I paste it. Then I go back. I click on memo. I come back to my Rabbit wallet. Then I click on this memo. Then I copy it. I copy the memo. Then I head back straight into my Bybit. I to my Telegram bot. I click on the memos. Then I paste the memo as well. Then I click on this send below. Can you see it asks me to review again? So here's my deposit, here's my memo. You can review it if you are not sure, just review. So you may lose your token if this UID wallet address or memo are incorrect, blocked, or does not exist. So you can double check, and you must always make sure that you've passed the KYC on any exchange you are using. So I've checked again and this is correct. I just press this confirm and deposit in progress. Can you just see it? So that is that about that. That is that about that. So I'm withdrawing these talks into my account now. So if you enjoy or you have any question about this video, please kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. And if you enjoyed anything or it add any value to you, kindly drop. So kindly subscribe to my channel and help me to share it to your friend. Thank you so much.